Hello everybody, it's time I did some work on this larch. It's the 8th of June today, and as you can see the tree is growing away nice and healthily. And if you saw my video on my skinny hornbeam a couple of weeks back or so, you will have seen me do an approach graft, and I said on there that I was going to do an approach graft on my larch as well, which I have done. If I can zoom in, not easy to see, but I have grafted a branch into this position at the back of the tree, just to bring it down on this side a little more. And obviously this branch has got to do a lot of growing over the next few years, so I'm not going to do anything with that except keep my eye on the wire that's holding it in place, and the rest of the tree I'm just going to pinch out the foliage. So, and that's simply a question of finger and thumb, hold and pull, and it pops out quite happily. And so I'm just going to go all over the tree, finger and thumb, and pull until I've shortened all these back. That will encourage some back budding and more finer ramification, hopefully, and keeping the tree in shape. Otherwise I'll have great big long straight pieces of very little interest. Larch are often best given a structural prune over the winter time, when the leaves have all dropped, or the needles in this case have all dropped, and you can actually see what you're doing. So I'm just going to go all round, finger pinching until I've got the tree back into kind of shape. Okay, so it's not a huge amount I pulled off, but that's already given the tree a bit more definition and shape again, where it was starting to look a bit shaggy. I think I want to take off a couple of pieces just here, just to kind of lift that a little, and again aid with the definition. Same on this side, move that, and that just gives it a bit more definition. I'm going to shorten this slightly and take out that bit which wasn't looking quite right to me, and there, that's all the work for now. A couple of pieces of wire on it I will need to keep an eye on, and that's all the bits I pulled off it, and yeah, let's set it up for the time being. As I say, this branch will just be allowed to grow. It's got a lot of fattening up to do to catch up to the thickness of this one, which it almost needs to do to make any logical sense of it being a lower branch than this one. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Please do take care of yourselves. Stay safe, everybody.